Hi, today I want to show you how to use oil pastels, how to mix colors with oil pastels. And the first thing is blending. Actually, I take red, and then I take yellow. So you see I'm blending, and I can blend them with my finger, or I can use the turp. Okay, so yeah, like this. It's good when you use colors close to each other. In a color wheel, we call them analogous colors, like red and yellow, or let's say blue and green. So we have this blue-green. Also, if you want to mix colors, for instance, you want to get a yellow-green, you start with yellow. It's better to start with lighter values, and then you add green, and if we mix it, it will be, you see, yellow, green. Or like in oil, you can start with yellow and then add blue, like cerulean blue, and eventually we have green too, like warmer green. You see, even warmer green. The same with, like, if you want to have some violet, for instance, we can start with magenta and make some blue in it, and we have kind of mauve color, you see. But if we want a light shade of any color, for instance, we have magenta, but we need a lighter shade of magenta. So you start with white, and then you add, let's say you add, where is it? Okay, you add, it's actually kind of hard pastel. I think I'll repeat it with a softer one. I use Sennelier and Holbein pastels, which are really nice. Yeah, you see, we have this beautiful pink, lighter shade. The same with like, we want some lighter green, for instance, and we add just green over white. Because if we, I'll show you that in fact oil pastels don't accept many layers. For instance, we have violet, then we can mix light violet, and then we can probably add blue, and you see, blue is not really adding, so you need really soft, like this, softer blue. Yeah, and that's it. So it will be really hard to add more layers, so you should keep it in mind that oil pastels probably two, 3 layers, not more. If we have complementary colors, like this is brown, and let's say yellow. Okay, yellow, but let's say violet. Okay, here it's not really. Yeah, say violet and yellow. Okay, like this. So if you want to get a kind of muddy color, like you know, green and red, it's actually more like pink. You see, we have this red-brown color. But this all is about blending, but you can also always use cross-hatching technique, like in working with color pencils, like this, for instance. Or we can use, let's say, this. And it's very nice. Oh, like purple, I mean dark pink, and for instance blue. So this is basically it for today. Let me know what you think. Thank you. Bye.